Looking to simplify IT, boost security, and scale operations without adding more headcount? Let's talk about the benefits of endpoint management software and why it's becoming essential for modern IT teams. Whether you're an MSP or part of an IT department, endpoint management software helps you take control of every device in your environment. Endpoint management is the process IT professionals use to monitor, manage, support, and secure devices across their organization or client base. Let's break down the top 7 endpoint management software benefits every MSP and IT team should take advantage of. Number 1. Centralized visibility. Know the health and status of every endpoint in real time from a single unified dashboard. This means faster issue resolution and smarter decision-making across your environment. Number 2. Streamlined routine maintenance. Recenter value-add work with automation for OS and third-party patch management, scheduled tasks, and deploying core applications. Number 3. Faster, consistent device onboarding. Quickly set up new devices, deploy core line-of-business applications, and map networks to reduce setup time and ensure consistent configurations. Number 4. Stronger endpoint security at scale. Aggregate and normalize data from all tools, vendors, and sources to gain AI-driven insights and strengthen your overall security posture. Number 5. Lightning-fast remote troubleshooting. Instantly access any Windows, Mac, Linux, or mobile device to troubleshoot, so your techs can run scripts, transfer files, and fix issues on the spot. Number 6. Data protection that keeps you running. Automated backups and instant restore capabilities help protect customer uptime and data, support recovery, and ensure continuity when things go wrong. Number 7. Reduced tool sprawl. Instead of juggling point solutions, unify patching, monitoring, and scripting to access tools in one place. This reduces overhead and boosts productivity across your team. Whether you're looking to improve service, lower costs, or scale with confidence, the benefits of endpoint management software speak for themselves and show exactly why it's essential for modern IT teams. Endpoint management solutions from ConnectWise give you the automation, device visibility, and scalability you need all in one place. Managing 100,000 devices or more in a single tenant? We've got you covered. Visit our website at connectwise.com to learn more or watch a demo.